Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country here, and if you're looking for the ultimate windshield for your Can-Am Defender, then we've got you covered with our full tilt glass windshield. I've got Tommy, our UTV technician, with us, and we're gonna be installing one right now.
Step one to our install on getting this windshield put on, we're gonna get our seal, put it down where it needs to be, slide right on like so, and slowly work your way all the way around the windshield. All right, so here's where we got to just cut our seal to fit good and snug here. Just use your snips or whatever you have handy. Finish pressing it right down on. And there's your seal install. Now we're gonna get our mounts for our actuators installed right here. Tight squeeze here, but it's not terrible. Take that, get you a 16mm wrench along with your 13. Snug it up. All right, so here's the next step to our install. If you got a friend, it always makes it easier. Just have him hold it right up here. Get your bolt started like so. Get your appropriate tools. Snug everything down. Don't want to over tighten anything just yet because you may have a few adjustments to make. Okay, we're on to the next step of our install. You're going to take your appropriate drill bit. Drill right here. This is going to be for your nutcert to seat in. Be sure to change your drill bit. We don't want any holes too large. You're going to come down here, drill right here. Those holes are so you can install your actuator mounts here. Now we got to install our nutcert. We're going to move on to that. All right, so we're going to be using our Rough Country nutcert tool. It just makes life a whole lot easier. We sell them on our website. Just thread your nutcert right on. Be sure you have the correct arbor. After you make sure you have the correct arbor and you get your nutcert threaded on, just place it in, give it a squeeze. You got to come back, tighten them. And just like that, your nutcert's installed. All right, next step is install your actuator brackets on. Take your bolt, run it right in. Just loosely install that for now. Find yourself a socket that the bolt fits snugly in, that way you can get it up through the hole. Start it just like so. After you get this tight, come back in with your Allen and repeat it on the other side. Next, we're going to get our actuator mount screwed into this. Take your 16mm wrench and tighten it. All right, next step, get your buddy to help you set the windshield in place. Like so. All right, then after that, place your bolts where they need to be. While your buddy's here helping, go ahead and get him to hold up where the windshield needs to be. Give everything a good tightness. All right, next step is we went ahead and wired in our actuators. You may have to adjust on them here to get them the right length to connect here. After you get that, pop them right on. All right, after you get done with that final step here, go make sure all your gaps and seals is in the right location. Make sure everything's good, tight, and secure, and you'll have a functioning windshield.
To make sure you don't miss other Can-Am Defender content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this post, and comment any questions you have. And for all your other UTV needs, go to roughcountry.com.